Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset tire pressure sensor Genesis G70, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and confirming tire pressures match the placard. Turn the ignition to run without starting the engine and locate the TPMS reset button. Press and hold the button until the TPMS indicator blinks, then drive at city speeds for 10 to 15 minutes to complete the relearn process. Before we begin, gather your digital tire gauge and note the recommended pressures on the driver door placard. Check each tire while cold and adjust pressures to the specified values. Make sure any spare or temporary tire is not fit for reset procedures. Confirm you have safe space to drive for a short relearn drive. If a sensor is damaged, replacement will be necessary before a successful reset. If you are enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker shown here. It makes workshop playlists effortless and keeps hands free while you work. Check the description for the link and current deals and accessories related to this video, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by setting the parking brake and turning the ignition to the run position without starting the engine. Press and hold the TPMS reset button until the lamp blinks, then release it and wait for a confirmation blink or chime. Inflate any low tires to the placard values and reset again if needed. Finally, take a short drive at city speeds for 10 to 15 minutes to complete the sensor relearn process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.